Hey everybody, I'm Joey Wargachuk, and this is my Tarot and Crystal Guidance video for April the 9th to the 15th. I don't know about you, but I'm excited for spring. Look at all the beautiful snow outside here in Toronto. For those of you who are not in Toronto, it's been like flurrying on and off. So let's get this party started. And I was wondering where Snaps was. The first card is on Monday the 9th. We've got the Six of Cups, which is about nostalgia, sentimentality, thinking about the past and incorporating it into our present. What from your childhood would you like to incorporate it into your present? What have you kind of forgotten about that are you starting to think about more often, and you really want to have that a part of now? Maybe it's a favorite song, or a particular kind of clothing, or a t-shirt, or a band shirt that makes you smile. I'm wearing my Batman t-shirt, and that definitely is very nostalgic, because I had lots of Batman stuff growing up. Love Batman. So the crystal card for Monday is, and these crystal cards were created by myself and Diane Cooley, the owner of Happy Souls, so they're really awesome and beautiful. And they have wonderful crystal guidance. And the crystal card for Monday is Blue Calcite, which is a peace of mind, and it's connected to your throat chakra, which is about speaking your truth and your self-expression. Creates calm, allowing freedom to express oneself and to rest. You need to rest in order to recharge and to feel good about yourself. Do you allow yourself space to hear your inner voice? You need to listen to the little you inside and kind of let it guide you. The next day is Tuesday the 10th, and the tarot card for Tuesday the 10th is the Two of Wands, and Two of Wands is about making a decision to do with your life purpose and looking at your options and getting ready to make a choice and go in a particular direction. Where do you want to go in life? What do you want to do? What makes you passionate? What makes you happy? Think about that. It's really the best time now to do that. And the crystal card, another self-expression one. Think about how you express yourself and how that is something you're passionate about, because Celestite is about angel communication and it connects you to universal angel energy. Which of your problems can you hand over to the angel? Don't worry about the costs of following your passions and following the things that you want to do, and don't worry about the money if you don't think there's money in doing the thing that you love the most all the time, because there is. You just let it happen. When you become an expert in something, look at all the influencers who are making millions of dollars off of Instagram by just doing the things they love and doing them well and doing them in a visually spectacular kind of way. Be so passionate about something that everybody pays attention to what you're doing and what you're saying, and they pay you for it. So Wednesday the 11th, we've got some serious Nine of Wands, which is about pessimism that you have to kind of work over. You really are probably made a big plan about what you're passionate about, the pros and cons, and you're being really pessimistic and looking at things in a logical, fundamental way. Stop. You need to stop thinking about things in a way that seems kind of logical. Point A does not lead to point B. The world is a complicated and magical place, and you have to change your idea and manifest the things that you desire, and really give in to your life purpose and ask yourself what you're passionate about, and let go of any kind of nagging feelings that something isn't going to work out, because when you think about things and say things are not going to work out, they won't work out. Say the words, send the energy out into the universe that what you really love to do is something that you're going to really give 110%, and then 1,000% will come back to you. And the crystal card for Wednesday is Soul Delight. So wow, we've got 3 throat chakra crystals, and Soul Delight is speaking your truth. Encourages you to speak your truth confidently and uncover your happiness. Find your happiness by being true and authentic to yourself. Do the things that make you happy, regardless if people say they're practical or not. Just do them and be happy and grateful that you can do them and express yourself to 100%. And the universe will take care of you. It wants you to be happy. That's your life purpose. And being happy means expressing yourself and not holding back. So truly express yourself. And the question is, what is your path to happiness? What is it? Think about it. Write it out. Say what it is. Being happy shouldn't rely on what other people think or what other people say of how you're supposed to live your life. If you want to live in a tree out in the middle of the nowhere, off the grid, or if you want to live in a penthouse in downtown Toronto, you can do it. Think about how you can make that happen. There's lots of strange and wonderful ways and miracles happen in the strangest of days. So manifest that. Thursday the 12th, we've got the sun. Wow. This isn't the amazing messages that are coming through for next week is express yourself, find your life purpose, connect to your sentimentality and nostalgia. And the sun card is about, yes, happiness, obtainment, all of your wishes and dreams coming true on the right path. And on the right path of self-expression is so important. Happiness is when you're good to yourself. And the crystal card for is, wow, root chakra. Finding happiness is about comfort, and it's a snowflake obsidian, and it gives us the grounding feeling of everything is all right when anxious or grieving. And we can be very anxious when we're trying to find what really makes us happy, or we're going through a difficult time. And for those of you who are going through a difficult time, or maybe lost someone close to you, a friend or a family member, snowflake obsidian helps to ground you and help you through a grieving process and makes you feel connected to yourself and being present in your body. Because when you're upset, you kind of tend to go elsewhere, and it disconnects you from your body, which can be very physically dangerous. So are you living in the present? Yes. Be present. Be here. Be now. Live in the moment. I just thought of Death Becomes Her. And the next for Friday is Friday the 13th. The 5 of Wands. And this is about conflict, the hero's purpose. Why are you fighting yourself and trying to find yourself? There's such a strong message in these cards about you are your own worst enemy, and you're preventing yourself from moving forward, and you're stuck because you keep connecting to things that don't work for you. Find new rules. Find the things that make you passionate, things that set you afire, things that make you excited. Do them, and stop letting other people get in your way. Stop listening to what other people have to say about what the things that you want. And wow. And the crystal card for Friday the 13th is Amethyst. It's all about your third eye. Listen to your intuition. I love intuition. I also love Amethyst. And Amethyst is about strengthening your spirituality, your psychic powers, and your dream recollection. What are your dreams telling you? What is your higher self, your spirit guides, your subconscious, and your unconscious trying to communicate to you in dreams? Listen to them. And how often do you connect to your higher self and the higher source? God, the universe, the divine mother. How often are you touching base with them and saying, I give myself to you, guide me? You have to listen to the divine guidance that's out there. All of your guides and your higher self and the divine are saying, we'll take you where you want to go. You just have to follow the signs. It's right here. And we go, no, I can't do this. I don't want to do this. Nah, why isn't everything working out? It is working out. You just have to go and follow. It's that easy. Listen to your intuition. So Saturday the 14th, we've got the Hierophant, which is the Pope, which is the 5th card in the Major Arcana. And the Pope tells us that we need to reevaluate our spiritual beliefs and traditions. Maybe follow and create our own rules when it comes to spirituality. Be our own Pope and be our own guiding light that shines us through the darkness. And maybe our bright shining light that we follow our own path will help shine other people in the darkness. Be the shining light. Connect to the spiritual energy and connect to the divine and create rules and traditions and rituals that work for you and are positive for you in this time in your life. And the crystal card is, oh, I'm so excited. Another third eye, green fluorite. And green fluorite is all about focus. It brings mental clarity and concentration. So you need to focus on the things that really matter on Saturday. And it's all about getting things done. Does worrying about things slow you down? Hell yes. So stop being slowly McSlowerton and focus on the things that you want. Create a goal, create a checklist, make everything, kind of set a date and say, this is how long it's going to take me to manifest and get the things that I want. So Sunday the 15th, we got, I'm so excited I can't breathe, the Strength card, which is 8th in the Major Arcana. And the Strength card is about taming the beast and the primal energies inside you, connecting to the divine, the feminine energies inside you, and being nurturing and caring and steadfast for those around you, but also for yourself. You have to listen to yourself and tame the beast within. So the crystal card for Sunday is Smoky Quartz. And Smoky Quartz is connected to your root chakra, and it's about gentle aid and helps to raise your vibration while gently grounding you and protecting you and reducing your stress. So you have to let go of all the things that are stressing you out. Next week is all about transformation, and this card tells us what will help you get through this difficult time. Because right now I have a feeling that there's a lot of difficulty going on with you trying to find your life purpose and trying to find out what makes you happy. There's lots of demons you have to slay, lots of beasts you have to tame, and lots of negative thought patterns and maybe some, like, bad habits that you have to let go of. Happiness is just around the corner, but you have to be the leader of your own reality. You have to be the Pope. You have to change your energy and raise your vibration to find and make the things that you really desire. Connect to your inner child, ask them what they want to do all day, and then do it. I'm sending you all lots of really good energy, and thank you for all your messages. I'm so excited. Hopefully in the next 2 days, my Tarot Master Certification will be approved and available for all of you fabulous people. That means I'll have 2 workshops on Udemy. Crystal Master Certification and the wonderful Tarot Master Certification, which is really great. And you get to get a digital certificate after you complete all of the videos and tests and work with all of the handouts and do the assignments. It's going to be a lot of fun. Check out my website or check out one of my workshops at Happy Soul, 961 Bloor Street West in Bloor Court, Toronto. Have an amazing week. You guys are awesome.